Hello, my name is Donna Lovette, and this is the third video in a 7-video series. Now, most people, when they talk about legacy and dynasty, they don't have an idea of what that really looks like. So what I want to do in this video is to give you a clear picture of what a dynasty looks like and the kind of impact that it can have beyond your lifetime. Take a look. Dynasties don't start with money. They start with mission. They start with a heart for your own family and a heart for others. One decision to walk in purpose, to prosper with integrity, and to build something that blesses beyond yourself. When we teach what we've learned, document what we've built, and prepare the next generation to lead, prosperity becomes provision for generations to come. The blessings don't stop with us. It flows through us. That's how generational legacy begins, with mission, purpose, and a heart that reaches beyond today. We want to start by thanking God for our great-great-grandparents who had the foresight to put some things in motion, ensuring that we would be okay, no matter what happens in the world around us. Their faith laid the foundation for everything we see today. Let's open the book of generations, the journal that tells how one family's purpose became provision, and how one simple yes grew into a dynasty that's still unfolding 10 generations later. Each family will determine for themselves the kind of impact they want to have on the world. But imagine what could happen when faith, purpose, and prosperity come together. As these pages turn, we see what God can do through a family united in vision. Each young person in our family who wanted to go to college was able to go without the burden of student debt. A home was gifted to every newly married couple, a foundation for their future together. When a nearby community was destroyed by fire, families like ours gathered resources, rebuilt homes and schools, and restored hope to hundreds of people. Over time, new churches were planted. Orphaned children were placed in loving homes, and families in crises were helped to rebuild their lives. Look at how many new businesses family members started, and these businesses thrived, hiring thousands of people through the decades. When our nation faced another economic downturn, our businesses stayed strong, not by luck, but by design. We had built wisely, invested carefully, and learned to manage what God entrusted to us. In that season, we didn't just survive, we served. We helped other families get back on their feet, offering jobs, training, and resources until they could stand again. And then there was Uncle Joe. Remember him? He had a heart for children trapped in the sex trafficking industry. He gathered a team of skilled men who worked to rescue them, while their wives created support systems that helped these children heal with counseling, mentoring, and education for a new beginning. This is what a dynasty looks like: prosperity with purpose, compassion in action, and a legacy that transforms lives for generations. Dynasties don't start with money. They start with mission. They begin with one decision: to walk in purpose, to prosper with integrity, and to plan with vision. When we teach what we've learned, document what we've built, and prepare the next generation to lead, prosperity becomes provision for generations to come. The blessings don't stop with us. It flows through us. Dynasties begin with purpose-driven families who understand that where God guides, He provides for generations. And as the book closes, one final chapter is still being written, the one that starts now. Around the table, a new generation gathers to ask the question: what do we need to do to keep this going? How do we want our children to remember us? What will we build next together? Because true legacy isn't just about what we leave behind, it's what we set in motion. This is what a family dynasty looks like: faith, purpose, prosperity, and unity, building something that lasts beyond us. And it all begins with one family conversation. This series has been resonating with you and you sense there is a next step. I want to personally invite you to a private vision session where we can explore what that would look like for you. There's a link below for more information, and I would love to see you there. Until next time, be blessed.